frick off of me, you pigs. Hey, let me the frick out, you fricking brats.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you said, you being yell against the law.
I don't give a crap. Why the heck am I in this fricking cop car?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe because of your concussion at school began and all of the people.
Now sit you down, or you have execution.
Fine piggies. Oink 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 fricking oink.
Fred, stop moving in the store.
Shut the heck up. Just face my fricking teeth.
Officer, stop the car for a minute. Let me see your hands.
Hey, get off me, you piece of crap.
Gun.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
There you go. That will be teach your mouth shut.
What the fuck?